No, if monsoon is there, we are happy. If monsoon is not there, then tension comes. No, this time also, see, there was no rain till April first week and all these things. Usually, we experience some rain in the month of February, March. This time it was not there. But nevertheless, we were prepared, as we told earlier, that there won't be any scheduled load shedding, and we are thankful to God that at least rain has come, and we try to see that we tap the maximum opportunity also from this situation. See, we are always prepared. It is not that monsoon will come, then we'll be prepared. Recently, there was also a storm in parts of Garo Hills also. Already it passed, it disrupted many of our poles and all these things. We have taken care of it. Even last year or last year, that when that cyclone Remal came, it devastated us like anything, but we have restored in the fastest way we could restore. We are in a position to see, but it depends also the nature and the extent of damage that happens to us. And as far the monsoon is there, of course, though monsoon has come, you must be knowing that uh, till April 10th there was no monsoon and all these things. No, as far the safety of the people is concerned, it is always taken, and high tension line, say 132 kV lines and all these things, they are come on in a tower only. So is a very uh, higher length. So there is no chances of any person coming in contact with the conductor. If there is a snapping of the conductor because of oldness, because of lightning and other things, those are serious. And where there is chances of accident and all these things, we take a necessary action for that. No, this is a continuous process. It is not that this transformer is burned down or something happened. After replacing, it will not happen for good. It is not like that. Anytime the same transformer may go also. There are many reasons, because of the overloading, because of the lightning, because of some other technical problem also. So it is a continuous process. This in today what we are discussing, maybe for one area, with that replaced, then new situation came, that may be for another area. This is a continuous process. It is not that we have finished and nothing will happen. It is not like that.
Is it the part of RDSS program?
No, RDSS program, it is not directly like that, but wherever transformer needed to be upgraded, transformer needed to be changed, we will be including that one.
How many transformers are in China?
At this juncture, it is very difficult to say.
Sir, like around 1 lakh rusted electric poles were also supposed to be changed.
Yeah, we'll be changing the conductors also, and many places where incidents are happening because of the this tree branches falling, or this prone to some other technical faults and all these things. Then also for unauthorized tapping of power and all these things, will be changing to aerial bundled conductors also, means say covered conductors also. We'll try to see that the electric poles which are in a very bad condition to be replaced. So all these works will go again. It is again continuous process. Why it is continuous process? Say by the meantime we go for everything new. Maybe the one which is now in good condition, after the end of 3-4 years, that may get also rusted.
How many, sir?
Wires also, I told you, we will be changing.
No, the other service providers.
Other service providers.
So there was some action plan taken, issuing notice to them.
Telephone wires and all.
Oh, telecom and all these things. No, telecom and all these things, that is their headache, whether they will
It
change
is
or not.
disrupting the MECL lines.
They,
The post, MECL post.
that may be there, but it is not that they will change or not change. That is up to them.